So here in this video, we are going to discuss about Terraform-State-Lock. So basically why we required it. Okay, let's discuss it quickly. Why we required and what is the use of Terraform-State-Lock. Okay, how it works. So basically, let's say if you, right, this is you and one of your team member, right, both are working on a similar code like the S3 creation code, right. You have a task to edit the public read and make the file public or change the ACL. And this guy have a task to edit the versioning for the S3 bucket. Okay, and this is your S3 bucket man.tf file. All right, you both are working together, right? You have updated the code, and now you are going to execute the code from your their own laptops, right? And let's say for time being, let's assume you have the state files in somewhere in the backend. Okay, you have configured a central repository for the state file. All right, so for that's why you guys can edit the resources from their own local laptops. All right, so we will discuss about the state file which is backend after this video. Don't worry about that. So what is happening, let's say you executed the terraform apply command, right? And at the same time, if there is a no log facility available from the terraform, that guy also executed the terraform apply command. So if there is a no log facility available from the terraform, so what is going to happen? Definitely there will be a conflict because he is also updating into the main.tf and you are also updating into the main.tf, and might possible there is some mismatch or some other thing is going to happen, and due to those things the main conflict is going to be happen, right? So to avoid this kind of conflict, Terraform gives you a opportunity to lock your state, right? Whatever states you are working on, so let's lock the states, right? So and you don't need to enable or disable anything. This is going to happen automatically, right, for you. So what is going to happen, if the thing is going to happen, if you are doing some changes, right, and if you run the apply command at the very first, and after your apply command, let's say you both are running the apply command at the same time, right, and only the some microseconds difference between the running the apply command from your laptop and from the other laptop. Okay, so the first apply which is executed from you is going to apply really and in the second apply which is ran by your colleague is not going to execute. He will get some error regarding the state is lock or something. So let's do the practical thing here. I have already logged in on the same server from two different terminals. Okay, I'm going to execute the Terraform apply command from both the terminal, and let's see what is going to happen. Okay, Terraform apply, Terraform apply. I ran it from here. You can see here the terminal which is showing here. From here I can execute the apply and it is asking me for yes or no, right, the approval one. And the second terminal, you can see it is giving me the error. Why? Because we both I'm using in the both terminal I'm using the same state file, so that's why my state file is lock. You can see here which state file it is. This is the state file name. Okay, so that's the use of the log file, and this is how the log file is going to work for you.